Okay, September 14th, 2019, and hope all of you having a great day today. So today is going to be an awesome day. It is Tuner Evo 2019, but before we head to Tuner Evo, I have a new modification for my BRZ. I have this big box right here, and it's a modification that I have already, which I'll tell you what's going on with my BRZ, but this is something I've had before, and I'm happy I have it again. And we'll do an unboxing first, put this on my car, and then we'll head to Tuner Evo. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and let's get to it. This is something that I've had on my car before, and as you guys know, recently I had my nurse spec wing on my BRZ, and I loved it, looked great. I went back to a TRD style carbon fiber ducktail wing, and it looked good, but I wasn't loving it. When I have my BRZ, I want to love my car. When I open my garage every day, I want to love what I see. The carbon fiber TRD spoiler wasn't for me, and I got something here that's going to look awesome. And looking at this, you guys can tell what this is already, but it's a new spoiler for my BRZ. And I know what you guys are thinking. I swapped out a lot of spoilers on my car within the last year, but I wanted to go back to something I know I love. I want my car to look awesome in the way I want it to look. So let's get this open and I'll show you guys what it is. Alright, so I got this from FT86 Speed Factory, and I'm opening it for the first time right now, and the carbon fiber weave on this is going to look so beautiful. Look at that. So this is a brand new carbon fiber leg sport ducktail wing for my BRZ. This carbon fiber weave on here is perfect because this is an authentic leg sport ducktail wing, and it looks so good. And it came with this 3M tape, which is definitely not going to be enough to put this on the car, so I did buy my own. So we're going to head out to the garage right now and get this installed. Alright, so I'm matching up both sides to make sure my leg sport wing is even right now. And you know it's authentic when it fits perfectly on the car. Putting pressure for the 3M tape on the BRZ here. And the carbon fiber weave on this is so nice. Perfect. I have my leg sport ducktail wing on the BRZ right now, and it looks so good. And this looks a lot better than my TRD style carbon fiber one I had. And it's more aggressive, if you can see here. The wing goes up farther, and if you look at the car from the back, it makes the car look so aggressive here. And I like this styling much better. This was actually the first aftermarket wing I had on my BRZ. It makes the side profile of the car look so good. And I'm so happy I have this back on my BRZ. And I know a lot of you think I'm really indecisive with the mods I put on my car, but I want to make it perfect for myself. And look at this, it looks so aggressive. And look at this carbon fiber weave on here. It is perfect. Alright guys, so we're heading to Tuner Evo really soon, and my BRZ won't be in the show this year, and I'll show you why. Well, I guess the first reason why is because I wasn't sure if my leg sport ducktail wing was coming in the mail on time. Because I sold my TRD carbon fiber wing, I had no wing on the car, and I didn't want my car to be in the show without the wing. It wouldn't look right. And on top of that, my front lip over here and my side marker are busted, as you can see. This happened several days ago, and as you can see, there's no front lip on my BRZ. And this is the second time this happened to me in the last couple months. So I was driving home from my buddy's house on the highway, going about 70, maybe 80 miles per hour, and it was completely dark outside. There was something on the road, I couldn't tell what it was. It was a rock or something. And I hit it right in the front of my car, and all I heard was a loud bang, and I pulled over at a gas station, and my whole front lip was gone. And I did a full inspection of my car. Everything was okay, except for this right here. My side marker, and these were expensive side markers too. Side marker completely busted off. The top half is completely gone, as you can see right there. I've been keeping it on with tape just for now, because I did order new side markers that will be in the mail any day. the side markers wouldn't be here on time for Tuner Evo, and I wouldn't be able to get a front lip on time either. And I didn't want to enter my car in this show unless it was show ready, and as of right now, it is definitely not. Alright, so we're heading out to Tuner Evo in a minute here, and I'll pick up the video once we get to the show.
Alright guys, we just got back from Tuner Evo. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. The show was awesome and there's so many awesome cars there. And please leave a comment down below what your favorite car was out of this whole show. Also, please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new carbon fiber leg sport ducktail wing. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.